Hello guys, welcome to Tripod Unboxing. Oh, how convenient. It came pre-unboxed. Thank you, Jeff Bezos. Ooh, this little thing that little kids love to play with. Then the tripod. Is it adjustable? Can it fit an iPhone SE? Oh.
Roblox.
It can and can't. Come on, the stupid tripod won't keep my iPhone SE up. Come on, it's only an iPhone SE. It's 4 inches. Just get on, stupid tripod. My God. The lightest. Sorry for my sister.
You need to go get that other one.
Background.
Here, I'll help you. Yeah.
Okay, sorry. So yes, it does fit my iPhone. Let's just put that off to the side. Ooh. These funny little things. Well, that's the end of the video. Goodbye.